Hi, this is Chris Lueking, Horticulture Educator, and today we're going to learn how to propagate a ZZ plant by water method. So this is an easy way that you can continue to grow your plants by propagation. So we're going to take a ZZ plant that is established plant, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to take and cut it off. We're wanting a more mature plant. We want a mature stem that has at least 4 leaves, established leaves on it. We're going to take that and we're going to pull the bottom couple leaves off. As you see, these 2 sets of leaves we're going to pull off. This will give us a stem to go ahead and utilize. We have a sharp box cutter, razor knife. We can use this to cut our stem. So we're going to make it a clean cut on our stem across. We're going to go ahead and remove these bottom 2 leaves. So we want to leave at least 4 to 5 leaves that are established on here, but this will allow us room to grow some new roots and establish a new plant. We want to make sure that the water on our vial is not too much that we're covering all of our leaves. So we're going to pour a little bit of it out. We want to make sure that we're going up, but we still have room. So we have a little bit more air space there. We have plenty of room for the plant to still photosynthesize and to establish some root system with it. You want to take a little more mature plants. So you can see on this plant, we would not want to take one of these that's on a little skinny one that are on the bulbette. We'd like a little more mature stem that has at least 4 established plants. So we can cut this one off. Again, we'll pull it down. We'll pull our bottom 2 leaf sets off. We have 4 leaves on there. And we can place this one into our bottle, right? So this is an easy way to start some new plants of our ZZ plant. You can set these up in a windowsill and let them get some sunlight. And within 3 to 6 weeks, you're gonna see new growth. And at that time, they can be transplanted into soil media. Thank you for joining us today and learning a little bit more about propagation using water method.